Hi darlings, let's make some food. We're grilling this fish. So this contains pepper, onion, cumin, fennel, black and white peppercorns, and this is salt, curry, and thyme. Half a seasoning cube. And let's add in some oyster sauce, some sweet chili, lastly sesame oil. Smells good. Make some scores on the fish. What is this fish called? This fish has been washed thoroughly and cleaned. The scores are deep. So I want the pepper to penetrate. Let's add some butter to the griller and just swirl it around to cover it. Add in the plantain and rub some pepper mix. So now we flip the fish over. And it's grilling nicely. Where is my tail? I don't want to compromise this tail. It has to bend because the size of the fish is obviously a bit longer than the size of the pan. Let's cover again and let it keep grilling. Let's check the progress. Woo, the plantain is burning. Oh my god, it is so burned. Turned the heat so low, and there's hope for this bunch. Okay, just the little scrapes you see, it's coming off. This one I scraped my plantain. This one I'm not gonna scrape my plantain, just on the surface, and it's coming off. It was delaying so much to cook, and I am hungry, so just small moments I increased the heat. This happened. Almost done. Almost done. This is just to heat up the runner bean. Just slice up some vegetables for garnishing.